Simple corruption means illegal work? No. Nowadays, the child corruption to all big problem everywhere. Corruption has failed. Whose life is not possible living there? What is corruption? Corruption is the enemy that is spreading. It poisons the root of nation. Corruption has affected the country so badly it is used people forget the country from investing. Corruption also give a bad image of the countries. Other countries rich country often gave it in the form money goods to the poor countries. It's the get view that corruption is being done in the handling of the funds. They decided to withdraw their investment. The main reason for corruption in India is lack integrity among the leaders, poverty and the absence moral content in education. It is also reason for corruption. Advantage. Corruption reduces bank raising and speed implements administrative practice governing dominant force of the market. Corrupt public officials requires sustain a great development friendly system for economy. Disadvantage. Corruption erodes the trust we have in the public sector to act in our best interest to arrests that have been and meant for important community project, meaning we have to put up with poor quality or survive infected organisms altogether. Conclusion. Today any types of government posts, high level and low level, such as the bribes, teaching, clerk, nurse, doctor and sweeper, etc. The amount of bribes increase as the level of job is increasing. This is a very serious situation and it has become extremely too important to eliminate. It has for welfare of the country's suggestions. People who take bribes should face punishment. Corruption directly affects the development of the country. Corruption is a crime and everyone should fight against it. Corruption, the government take strict action against corruption. Now I would like to thank you. My finish this topic, some quite and petition. The duty of the years is to challenge corruption. Thank you so much.